O-type stars. O-type stars are the hottest and most massive stars in the universe, burning with a brilliant blue light. Their surface temperatures soar above 30,000 degrees Celsius, making them incredibly energetic and short-lived, often only a few million years. These stars shine with an intense blue glow that can illuminate entire regions of space and influence nearby stars and gas clouds with their powerful radiation. They are rare but spectacular, often found in young star clusters. Examples include Zeta Puppis and Theta 1 Orionis C, which show how immense and luminous these celestial giants can be. B-type stars. B-type stars are slightly cooler than O-type stars, glowing a striking blue-white color. Their temperatures range from 10,000 to 30,000 degrees Celsius, and they are highly luminous and massive, though not as extreme as O-type stars. These stars burn their fuel rapidly and live relatively short lives, lasting tens of millions of years. B-type stars are often visible from Earth due to their brightness and are found in many star-forming regions. Rigel in Orion and Spica are famous examples showcasing the brilliance and power of blue-white stars. A-type stars. A-type stars shine with a pure white light and have surface temperatures between 7,500 and 10,000 degrees Celsius. They are known for strong hydrogen lines in their spectra, making them easy to study. A-type stars are bright and prominent in the night sky, often appearing larger than their actual size due to their luminosity. These stars are moderately massive and live shorter lives than our Sun, but they are spectacular to observe. Sirius A, the brightest star in the night sky, and Vega are classic examples of these dazzling white stars in the cosmos. F-type stars. F-type stars glow with a gentle yellow-white light and have surface temperatures ranging from 6,000 to 7,500 degrees Celsius. They are slightly hotter and more massive than the Sun, and their light has a soft, warm hue. F-type stars are stable and bright, often serving as guides in constellations and star maps. They produce energy at a steady pace, making them reliable for planets that might orbit them. Examples include Procyon A and Gamma Virginis, both of which display the subtle beauty of yellow-white stars in the cosmos. G-type stars. G-type stars are the familiar yellow stars, with surface temperatures between 5,200 and 6,000 degrees Celsius. They burn hydrogen steadily, providing stable energy for billions of years, making them ideal for hosting life on surrounding planets. These stars shine with a warm yellow light that is soft yet steady, like the comforting glow of our Sun. G-type stars are moderately massive and highly visible in our galaxy. The Sun itself and Alpha Centauri A are excellent examples, showing how yellow stars can be both ordinary and extraordinary in their importance. K-type stars emit a warm orange light and have surface temperatures ranging from 3,700 to 5,200 degrees Celsius. They are cooler than the Sun, but larger in some cases and can live far longer, sometimes tens of billions of years. Their orange glow is striking and adds variety to the starry sky. K-type stars are stable and long-lasting, making them excellent candidates for supporting planets with potential life. Famous examples include Arcturus and Aldebaran, which showcase the glowing orange brilliance of these long-lived stars. M-type stars shine with a deep red color and are the coolest of the major star types, with surface temperatures below 3,700 degrees Celsius. Most are red dwarfs, small and faint but incredibly long-lived, some burning steadily for trillions of years. Their red light is soft and calming, often unnoticed unless observed with telescopes or from very close distances. M-type stars include Proxima Centauri, the closest star to Earth after the Sun, and Betelgeuse, a massive red supergiant whose fiery red glow dominates its region of space. These stars show that even the smallest or coolest stars have a powerful presence in the cosmos.